Okay, got a bird up there in my cherry tree, folks. This is the morning garden. Be doing this little number, crying and making noise. Um, these are the apple trees, high density planting. They're in one group. They're about 6 feet tall, and they're kept at 6 feet. You can see the blossoms there. This is an apple tree. I don't know why this thing won't sharpen up. There's another one. And I noticed that this tree that's blossoming here is what they call a pink lady, and she seems to be only blossoming on the tip, where this other tree is blossoming all up and down the branch, the tip as well. God, those are beautiful blossoms, absolutely beautiful. Somebody should take a picture of these. Oh, that's right, I am taking a picture. Okay, so we got these here. There's a compost pile over there. Well, whatever they call it, the wood chip. This thing will not stay in focus. And over here we have the trees that are against the house. And now these were blocked from the sun last year completely. Almost completely, I'll put it that way. And they never did well. Never did well. This year the tree's down. It's got the whole open space right there, right up there. There used to be an arm blocking all that. Now it's not. So look at this. This tree has one, two, three, four sets of blossoms like these here. And that's it. That's all it's got. See? And it's gonna do better. It's gonna do better because I just got that feeling. And this one here doesn't have any blossoms on it at all. I want to remember that. It doesn't have any blossoms. So the only one that has them on there is the Honeycrisp. And this one here that doesn't have any blossoms on it is the Granny Smith. No blossoms. Okay, so I'm looking good. This is the Morning Gardener.